So she got in the back seat, and right before I pull off, she like, "Oops, my eyeglass frame popped out." So brand new glasses she had, and her right, I believe it was whatever, one of her lenses just popped out.
That's
So I'm like,
crazy. So
I'm
that was
like,
the
oh,
hiccup you were talking
no,
about.
oh hell, I wish it was, but no, that wasn't a hiccup. That's just how it started. So the hiccup is coming when we get there. So my wife is like, so about 5 minutes she's playing around with it, pops it in there, but we're
Mm-hmm.
still like, let's go to the, where we got the eyeglass, where we got the
Mm-hmm.
glasses,